I want to show you how I'm doing interlock tapestry. So here's our slit tapestry from the last lesson. So you can see how this is a straight line, and here it's got a little serrated edge. That's because you're encircling here a join, interlocking your wefts. So let's go back. I'll take my butterflies through, snug at the selvage. I have my little bubble there. Now I'm going to go across. So you're only going to join every other row. So when I'm going right to left, I'm not doing an interlock. So you want this here to be fairly snug so you don't have a bump there. So now I'm going to change my shed and beat. Okay, now I'm going to go back. So this time I'm going to start from the left. I'm going to go over, and then I'm going to take my orange around here, and you can see I'm pulling against this up thread. So I've made my bubble. I'm going to do the same thing over here. Okay. All right, now change sheds and beat. So I got a little extra in there. Take it out. There we go.